How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode here at the Bokeh Garage. This is going to be a very, very short video. It's a follow-up to the fog light installation that I did for the Impreza. Well, I had shown and mentioned that the lights that are in it are not exactly that bright. They don't really light up the road. They're just, it is what it is. So I think I talked about in that video how I was going to order some Auxito H3s. Well, guess what I did? So we got our package right here, guys. Don't mind the trash in the back. Had some sushi the other night. Hope you guys like sushi as much as I do. But here we go. Bam. Brand new Auxito H3 LEDs. Now, I am very, I guess, skeptical about this. So I love Auxito. Not sponsored, by the way, but I do run them, their LEDs in all my cars. Now, the reason why I say I'm skeptical is because I heard that these things run at the color balance of 3000, which means they're going to be nice and yellow, which is fine. That's what we want. However, I don't know. See, there it is. 3000 golden, whatever. But I don't know what their lumen setting is set to. I don't know if this will tell me. It's all in, like, Chinese and Japanese and every kind of knees that I don't have. Or if I say I don't have, I mean I can't read. But yeah, I am not seeing lumens on here at all. So I'm worried because, again, I like Auxito. They make really good stuff. But I've seen a couple videos of people talking about the Auxito H3s. And one guy showed the video like they were super bright. They worked amazing. They were great. And then another guy, he had like a Daihatsu K car or whatever. And he put them in his fog lights, and it was like just as bright as kind of what I have now. So that's why I'm worried. So I'm going to toss these into the Subaru, and I'm hoping that we notice a difference. All right, guys. So just for reference, before I do install these, I want to show you at night. I mean, we have the bright light up that are on, but it is nighttime out here. You can see the fog lights right there. Like, obviously, we got the bright LEDs on. We can't have just the fog lights on. They don't come on without the headlights being on. But you can just tell that they're not that bright. Like, the camera actually makes that look a little bit nicer than it is, but it's very dull. Where you can tell the LEDs are bright and shining and bursting light off. Those are not. So, for reference, that's what the bulbs look like. We're going to put one in, and hopefully we can tell a difference. I'm praying. So keep your fingers crossed for me, guys. All right, guys. Obviously, you're not going to see much of a physical difference because you can barely even see the actual LED bulb in there. But it's in there. We got the passenger side is the original bulbs. We got the driver's side, which is the new Auxitos. Keep your fingers crossed, guys. I'm hoping that the more positive videos I saw are obviously the outcome we get. Because I don't want to have wasted almost $25 on some LED lights that just don't, give me what I want. Which would be quite a shame because, again, I've used Auxito for literally everything else. Like, literally everything else. So, let's find out together. Oh, yeah, look at that, guys. All right. That's exactly what look at that. Holy crap. Like, if you look at the thing directly, that is beautiful yellow compared to whatever that is there. Auxito, you guys sure pulled through again. That is, look at that. That's perfect. Now, I just need to probably adjust it so it aims a little bit lower towards the ground. But look at the old side. Look at that side. Thank you, Auxito. Again, not sponsored. Wish I was. Auxito, if you want to sponsor me, I got an 8.6 here that could really use some beautiful, beautiful LEDs. Just saying. I've also got an RSX over there that could use some LEDs. This is already running Auxitos. This is already running all Auxitos. But I got a couple other cars that would love to run some Auxitos. So I'm happy with this. I'm going to throw the other side in, guys. I thought real quick before we put in the new Auxito, I want to show a side-by-side comparison of the old bulbs that were in there and obviously the beautiful Auxito LEDs. Now, Keep in mind, some people, when they were doing reviews on these Auxitos, they said that this rear part was too big. It would not fit in their housings. I'm wondering if those people bought the right bulbs, because, again, this is an H3 as well. And look at that housing. It is literally just like the exact same height. So I had no issues getting it to fit the housing of the fog light there. So obviously I don't expect to run into any issues with the housing at all. Really cool thing, if you guys don't know about H3s, they have these notches. Like, if I can get the wire out the way, you see one's a square notch right there and a circle notch right there. The Auxitos are kind of cool. You get two square notches and two circle notches. So it kind of helps you when you want to adjust and install the LEDs. Like in that one, I have the LED sitting like here, like straight up vertically. However, if I wanted to, I could set it horizontally, but I'm going to keep them vertical like that, because you guys saw the beautiful streak that it did, and that was me having it vertically. So that's how I'm going to install this one as well. And there we are, guys. Both of the LEDs are installed, and as you can see, we'd need to do just a tiny little bit of adjustment. You can see that that one's aimed just like an inch or two shorter than that one, and by shorter I mean lower, which is what you want for your fog lights. You want them to be aiming lower, but that just looks so amazing, guys. Like, oh man, oh, that is just beautiful amber yellow. It's bright, it's actually noticeable. I cannot wait to take this thing out for a spin tonight. But first, I am going to adjust the lights. But that, I love these fog lights, guys. Like, they just are so good. So, if you guys are out there, you got a GC8, you got a Japanese front bumper, or you got a 0.25 RS bumper, whatever, 2.5 RS bumper, get the fog lights. They're cool. Get some Auxito H3 bulbs. Those are amazing. Again, Auxito, not sponsored. I wouldn't mind being sponsored, so just saying. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this small, very short video. I just wanted to throw those Auxitos on. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just so happy with these guys. So I'm gonna, adjust the light, go out for a drive, get some dinner, and I will see you in the next one, guys. But just remember, every broken car is an adventure. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep working at it. Keep messing with those cars. Keep toying around with them. Save the Hoonigans for the tracks. Don't do that stuff in the streets, guys, because there's already enough stupid people out there trying to do takeovers and ruining the car culture for the rest of us. So don't be that guy. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share, favorite, subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and I will see you as always in the next one. Later.